Hey guys, I've been obsessed with Fidget, so I'm going to be doing a video about Fidget trading. Alright, let's get started. Legs seem to move from this side to this side, just pretending I'm two different people. So, I hope you like it. Color changing needle, going once, going twice, going 3 times. Oh, geez, me. What's your offer? My offer is this. Seed stress ball. DIY poppet. And mochis. And this bracelet. Please, this is all I have, so please accept. I feel really bad that she only has homemade fidgets, so I think I can make her day. I'll accept. Oh, gee, thanks so much. Alright. Treating snake, going once, going twice, going 3 times. Oh, me. Alright, what's your offer? I'll trade this ASMR pod, this shaker, and this poppet. Can I please try your poppet first? Can I please try your fidget first? Sure. Ha! I got scammed. Hey! Alright guys, that was just a few fidget trading things that I love. Oh, and if you're wondering what the surprise fidget was, if you saw my video, like I'm bringing surprise fidget to school, this was the surprise fidget. So, I'll be making tons more of these, and right now I'm just going to do a fidget haul since I have tons of time left. So, I have the color changing needle, this poppet, I have a circle poppet, which I love. I'm actually getting a fidget pack on Friday, so check out for that video on Friday. I'm also gonna make a video on Easter, because I might get the fidget pack on Easter, so yeah. This snake. I have mochis. I have a sun mochi. I have a bear mochi. I think this is a seagull mochi, and this is a dog mochi. Okay. So another thing I have is an ASMR card. I have the other one where you like twist it and it's green, but I really know that one. I have this one. I have this. It's not the best. I mean, I like it a lot, but it's like, now it kind of doesn't make any sound anymore. So yeah, I have the keys in the back, which I love. I have this, which I love playing with the bees. And I like doing this a lot with this one. That's not all mine. I kind of have a DIY bike chain, but it doesn't work really. I just put 2 rings together. It doesn't work, so yeah. Those are all my fidgets. Subscribe if you wish you had one of these fidgets. Or you want me to do more of these videos? If I get to 20 subscribers or any more than that, I will do tons, like, I don't know how many, but tons and tons more videos with all of these fidgets. And the new fidgets when we get it. So, please get me to 20 subs or more. My real goal is 50, so we can do that. post them many, like 10 times a day, hopefully. So, yeah. Bye. Bye. Make sure to subscribe. Bye.